All right, guys, let's see what we do today. Let's see what we do. See what we do today, fellas. All right, guys. Let's see. Jeez. All right, let's move over to here. Let's look at the 60-minute real quick. I'm seeing a little bit something to the upside. Um, we could be seeing a down movement sometime. So if the on the 15 guys, or on the 30 on the 15, if we go below that zero, we're dropping. Let's just wait a little bit, guys. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait till everybody comes in here first. I'm gonna go ahead and get into a short. This is at the bottom of the range. I shouldn't be doing that. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Let's see what we got going on the cues, guys. I see a level at a 487, guys. 487 to the downside. So we might fill in that gap to the top side. I don't know yet. Let's just see what happens. Let's look at the 5. Yeah, it looks like we're still going up for a bit longer. Let's just wait for it to bottom out first and then see what happens. I am seeing a level at 487. Watch out for that. Uh, let's see what happens first, fellas. See what we do, guys. It's 5 minute. Looks like we might be going down today, guys. We just gotta wait and see what happens. I don't want to be in the wrong either, so I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna go short sometime. Actually, I'm gonna wait till it hits that 50 on the 10, guys. Or possibly, um, give me 1 second. I'm seeing a level at 487, guys. 487. So I'm gonna wait for another pull back up and then I'm gonna go short. I'm gonna go ahead and get out of that one. I'm gonna do it again. See if we can get another push up. Get out of that one. I'm gonna do it again. looks like it wants to hang around this area, guys. I might go ahead and get in. I want to wait for another little pullback, guys. I may be wrong this time, guys. I'm at 163, guys. Looking at levels down to 487 on the Qs. 487, guys. I might just get out of this one as well. 487 on the Qs, guys. $487 on the Qs. 487 on the Qs, guys. I got out. I'm just gonna wait till a little bounce, unless we get a. I'm gonna wait for another bounce up, guys, and then I'll go in short. I just want to wait. Go ahead and put one up here. Hold on, let's just hold off on that one first. Hold off on that one. Let's see. All right. All right, so we're gonna come back up and then flush back down. Let's see what I'm trading MNQ. I'm seeing level all on the Qs at 487, guys. To the downside, 487. I'm not going to be on here for long, guys. I'm going to get off early. I got stuff I got to do today. Yep, no problem. I'm seeing a level at 487 on the Qs, guys. I'm going to wait for a bounce back up possibly and then take it back down. It might just drop now, so everything the Sarcastics is already. Thanks for the follow. The Sarcastics is already topped out on everything, guys. So um, So let's just wait, guys. Let's just see what happens. So I'm gonna try to get at the top. Let's look for a reversal, guys. It's probably too early, guys. This is way too early. I'm gonna get in on top of here if it does. Climb up there and then take a short. There we go. Guys, when you get massive drops like this, you enter a position and then you get a massive drop, go ahead and take your money. That way you're keeping your funds. It doesn't matter if it does drop or not. I'm gonna wait for another bounce up, guys, and then I'm gonna wait for another leg up, a little pull back up. That's it. If we can get one. I'm gonna wait till it hits that 50 on the 1 minute. Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader, this is Ninja Trader. I'm gonna wait for that 50, guys, on 1 minute. 50 on the 1 minute. Probably just take it all the way up to here. I'm gonna wait for some kind of reversal if we do get it, guys. That's crazy. That's crazy, fellas. Look at that, man. We just got faked out. I'm gonna try to save this, guys. I'm gonna try to save this. See if I can break even. We just got faked out, guys. But I'm still seeing those downsides though. I am. I'm still seeing the downside, guys. If I break even, guys, I'm getting out. Yeah, I would look into some long positions, guys. Out. I'm out. I'm at 183, guys. 183. I'm out. This is too risky, guys. I'm definitely I'm not going to do anything right now. This is way too risky. You know what? I'm not scared. I'm not scared. I am not scared at all. All right, let's get it. Um, let's see what we do today, guys. I am seeing levels down at 487 though. If we do break this, guys, we're going down. Well, we need to come back up here, guys. We need to come back up here. That's crazy, man. These moves are crazy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right. I'm gonna wait for a pullback and then get into some shorts, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Wait for a little small pullback. I want it to come back up here again, though. I'm not gonna wait for that sweep or anything, for any kind of sweep. So I'm just gonna wait. I know it's gonna go down to 487, guys. This is dangerous here. Go ahead and take your profits, guys. Just take them. Just take it. Wait for another pull back up and then go back in. See, that's what I'm talking about, that right there. That's just crazy moves right there. I should get into another one there, but thanks for the follow. Just take the money, guys. Just take the money and run. That's all you got to do. Just take the money and run, guys. I'm looking for shorts though. 487 QQQs, guys. 487 QQQs. I'm not a holder, guys. So I'm looking for shorts. I wanted to come back up here though, again. And then we might have a one-sided day all day though. I don't know. But if you want to, you could also look for long positions, guys. It's just going to be tough. You're going to have to get in and get out. I'm going to wait. I'm going to wait till we get a bounce back up, guys. I'm going to wait till we get a bounce back up, fellas. I'm not going to be on here for long, guys. I have stuff I got to do today, so look for shorts for now. And then later on, let's look at the 1 hour. Look for longs for later on, guys. I'm at 205 right now, 205. Oh, let's see if I'm gonna look for short positions up here, guys. See if we hit that 50 right here. I'm gonna wait. We might just even go up from here, so just never know. I'm gonna go ahead and just take it, guys. I'm just taking it. I'm at 216. I'm at 216, guys. Look for those shorts. Unless we get a massive push up, guys, then that's a different story. That's a different story. If we get a massive, I believe we're going to be pushing up to here, though. We have this huge wick right here. And I'm not just going by wicks, guys. I'm not. So I'm gonna wait for a pullback down and then get into some long positions. So guys, it looks like we do have some buying pressure here. All the way to the top. All the way to the top. Check your 1 hour, guys. Check that 1 hour and just keep focused on that. I'm gonna get off at 10, guys. I'm gonna get off at 10. I only been on for about 20 minutes, but I'm gonna get off at 10. I got stuff I gotta do today. Looks like we are heading up, guys. Thanks for the follow. I'm just gonna wait, guys. We might be heading up, so I don't know. Let's look at this 1 minute. This is what I would like to see, guys. So I'm looking F2. So let's do F2. This is what I see here. I would like to see something like that. Oh, thanks for the follow. I would like to see something like this, guys. See if we can get this to come back up. I'm gonna get into a long position here. It might be, I might be wrong this time. I don't know, guys. Just depends on what happens right here. This is that was way at the top. I shouldn't have done that. I need to stop doing stuff like that. If I break even, guys, I'm getting out. Well, I was there. I'm out. I'm gonna go ahead and get out, guys. I'm at 224.50. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. There's too much stuff going on here, guys. It's not safe. If you don't know what you're doing, guys, I would not recommend getting into this. I don't even care if you're gambling. You should not be in this right now. You should not be in this right now, guys. This is pretty much a gamble right now. I do see this wick up here. We might even be going to even higher highs today, but this is way too risky, guys. Y'all should really be paying attention. Um, I really don't know, guys. I'm looking at 487s on the Qs. So if it drops below 487.95, if it drops below 487.95, then I'll be looking for a short position, but at the top though, at the very top. Let's say I would look for a short position up here. I would short it right here or somewhere here. And then I would long it. This is the area I'm talking about right here. If we break through this here, guys, then I would wait for a pullback up and then another short position, and possibly we might even get this trend right here. Possibly down here though. If it breaks through this, then we might get the trend right here. So just be careful, guys. It looks like we are going down there, but maybe not for long. Crazy moves, guys. Crazy moves. It's ridiculous. I don't like action like that. All right, let's go ahead and look for some plays, guys. Let's look for some plays. All right, so what I'm seeing here is the MACD. Oh, y'all can't see it. Oh well. Sorry guys, I don't know how to fix that, but if you're looking at the MACDs right now, we're at levels at negative 398 for the MACD, and the signal line is at negative 581. I would like to see those numbers be closer to that zero for me to be comfortable to getting into long positions, guys. We might break through this though. We might break through this structure. If we break through here, guys, then we're creating a what is this higher low. So let's see what happens, fellas. Let's see what happens from here, guys. I'll go ahead and might get into some long positions right here in a minute, guys. I wanted to come down just a little bit more, guys, and then see if I'll get on into a long position. Or I might just get into long just for the hell of it. If we break through here, guys, if we break through this level here, then we might come back to retest this and then go to the upside. If we don't, if it doesn't go past this level, guys, then we're gonna keep going down. So I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait for breaks through, guys. I'm gonna wait, guys. I'm gonna wait for breaks through. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. See if come on. Nope. I didn't get it. All right, fellas. See what happens. Got out. I got out, guys, at 245. I got out at 245, guys. It's just way too dangerous, guys. You can't be holding this stuff, fellas, unless you know where it's going. I don't know where it's gonna go. That's why I'm getting out. So we have two ways. We can go all the way down on the Qs. We can go all the way down to what was it, 487. We can go all the way down to 487 on the Qs, or we can go all the way up to on the futures at 320, 340, guys. It can go both ways. It can go down first and then up, or it can go up and then down. So I'd be careful, guys. I'm not going to risk it. So I'd be careful, fellas. I'd be careful. I want to see what happens at this level right here, guys. This is what I want to see. I want to see something happen here. The previous action look like? Let's see what happens. Let's see. Let's go to the 15. This was yesterday's move right here. So possibly down here, guys. All the way at 162.25. Like I said, the markets can do anything, guys. It doesn't even have to go over there. The markets can do whatever it wants. All right, so it looks like we might be heading down then. All right, guys, so I'm gonna look for some shorts. I want to look for some shorts here in a minute. No, I'm not using Apex at all. I'm using real funds, guys. I'm a low baller. I don't have a lot of money, guys. I'm in micros. This is 1 minute micros. 1 minute micros. It needs to break through here, guys. But I'm going to wait for a pullback to the 7. Do I trade with the system? I trade however I trade, buddy. I trade based off of what candles do. I trade off of the MACD. I trade off of the EMAs. I trade off of the stochastics. I trade off of different time frames. So if I look at this 5, I'm looking at the EMAs. I'm looking at the MACD, see where it's at. I'm also looking at the 10, 15, 30, and the 60, guys. So I don't know if you're talking about just one single, like a MACD strategy. No, I use all of it. I use every bit of information I that it offers. I'm gonna see what happens. See what happens at this 50. I'm looking at the MACDs. We're still below the 0. The stochastics looks like we are coming back up on the stochastics, but it could also flip. So let's look at the 3 minute now. We're coming back to this 50. Let's see if it can hold. Let's see if we can ride back up here. This is why I have a sell limit order up here, because I believe we can still come down from this, guys. So let's look at the 15. We are crossing over on the 15 on the MACD, so let's see what we do here. We do have this wick right from here all the way up here on the 5 minute, guys. And we have lots of resistance down here. I mean, lots of support. But I want to see this wick being taken out first. See if it breaks that 280 level. If it breaks that 280, then I can see it coming up here. It needs to break that 280, guys. I'm going to wait for a small pullback. We might be coming back down here still. It's alright. I'm going to try to save this if it does go the wrong way, guys. I want to see this wick being taken out. I might enter into a second position again. A second contract, guys. I need to break even on this, even if it does go the wrong way. It's those breakouts that get to people right here. You set a position for it to come back up, and then next you know it reverses to the downside. So let's see what happens. Take a look at that 1 minute. See if we break even, guys. If it keeps going down, guys, I'm just gonna put in for long positions, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and get out. Come on. There we go. I'm at 251, fellas. 251. Um, King. Nah, I'm just a regular trader, man. I'm not. there's a lot more people that are way better than me, and they can catch trends. The only reason why you can catch trends, guys, if you have plenty of money to actually, not get liquidated, and then if you know where it's going, then you don't have to even be worried about it. Now, guys with small capital, you can't really do that. You're gonna have to get in and get out, get in, get out, get in, get out, and not lose. Try not to lose a penny, right? Even a dollar is, and if you end up just with a dollar that day, guys, it's a win. It's a win. It's a dollar you didn't have. So I'm gonna be on for another 30 minutes, guys, and then I'm getting off. I want to see this wick being taken out, but I'm not getting in just yet. I'm just gonna wait until that, or unless that 280 is broken. I'll wait for a pullback. Unless we have a candle that engulfs this what is it? This area right here. Wow, that's crazy, guys. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna get out of this one. What are the fees for each trade? I think Ninja Trader has I don't even know. I think it's in the cents though. For micros. For minis, I think it's like 125 each trade. I do about like 80 trades, guys. It's a lot throughout the day. Even when I get off a stream, guys, I usually do about 80, 90, maybe 100 trades, you know? I'm not a holder either, so I don't like holding this stuff, guys. Just getting in every drop. If you know where it's going, every drop, get in. Every move up, get out. Every drop, get in. Every move up. And I usually do that whenever I'm off of when I'm more concentrated. Um, when I get off stream, guys. See that? If we break below this zone, guys, we could be coming back down. So just be careful. Be careful, guys. See what happens here. I want to see this upside being taken out though. Each placement, each trade that you make, each placement that you make, guys, is crucial. It's very crucial. You want to be right. You don't want to be in on the bad side of a trade. I'm gonna wait on the 30 seconds to come back to that 50, which is the 7 right here, and then see what happens from there, guys. I want to see this wick being taken out. It already broke that 280, but I want to wait for a small pullback if we do get it. If not, it's all right. If we missed a trade, it's okay. I'm not worried about it. Looks like we're going to 340, guys. Got out. I'm at 373. I mean 273, guys. I'm at 273. That's a good day for me, guys. I mean, even 200s, man. That's a heck of a day. Close to 300, guys. I mean, easy stuff, guys. Easy. Thanks for sharing the live, Christian. Or yeah, Christian. Um, easy stuff, guys. Easy stuff. Let's wait for another pullback. I'm gonna wait for that pullback to that 7, possibly down here, guys. Looks like we're going to 340, guys. 340 to 340 to the upside. I would wait for a pullback though, a little small one. I'm gonna try to break even on this one, guys. I don't like this. I don't like this one at all. I'm out, guys. 295, fellas. 295. All right, guys. I have about. Let's give it another. Oh, I almost choked that one. Let's give it another 10 minutes, fellas, and I'm out of here. Man, that was easy, guys. Easy, man. I could have held it. I should have held it. You know what? But I don't like moves like this. When you see moves like this and it engulfs a candle, let's say if it would have closed down here, guys, if it would have closed down here, it would have been bad news. Like I feel like the algorithms would just dump it all the way down. So yeah, you have to be careful, fellas. You have to be careful doing this. It's very stressful sometimes. It is. Whenever you see whenever you see a big candle like this, guys, it's very stressful. It'll break your heart, man. But you have to. So let's say if you got in up here, guys, and it drops like this, go ahead and start scaling in contracts at every zone, every step ladder, guys, all the way down. And then every move that it makes up, get out of one. And then every moves that it makes down, get into one. Every moves that it comes up, get out of one. And then vice versa. Boom, 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 boom. Looks like we're going to that 340, guys. 340. 340, fellas. Let's wait for a small pullback. I need a consolidation first. I need consolidation first, guys. We're getting sellers here. I mean, buyer. We're getting a lot of buyers. I'm gonna wait, fellas. I'm gonna wait. Looks like we might be breaking out, but I do not want to get the top of the range. I don't want to get the top of the range, guys. That's not what I want to do. Let's look at the 5-minute. We already crossed over on the MACD, so yeah, I definitely don't want to catch this top of the range, guys, because we could be wrong and it won't even break out. So let's see. Let's go ahead and place one there just in case. This is still the top of the range, guys, so just be careful. I'm going to go ahead and get out. I'm at 302, guys. That's it for me today, guys. That's it for me today. I'm done. I'm not going to play with no I'm not going to give back no money. That's it. I'm done for today. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Watch that 340, guys. Watch the 340s. Watch the 340s. I don't care. I don't need to be in the trade anymore, guys. I'm done. But watch the 340s, fellas. Watch the 340s. All right, guys. I am going to be getting off, fellas. I'm sorry. I do have stuff I have to do today. Um, if you were tuned in for today, guys, y'all, if y'all would have taken the same trades as I would, y'all would have made $302 just on micros. Um, I know it can be tough sometimes. And realistically, with what I'm doing is scalping, guys. It's really what, if you know what to look for, guys, it's really, let's say, for example, let's take this candle right here, right? And I'm looking at the MACDs. Okay, boom. The MACDs, we have this spread between here. Yes, I know the candle can come back down to a zone, right? I know it can come back down to a zone. I don't know what zone. And I know that that candle will stop eventually. When that candle stops and it pauses, realistically what you should be doing is waiting maybe for like a second or two, get in, see what happens, and if it keeps dropping, wait for the next level, wait for a next consolidation zone, guys. Wait for a zone, right? Wait for a consolidation zone. Then if it does drop to that zone, buy in at the bottom of the zone, like right here. This zone right here, guys. Let's see, right here, right? Buy in at the bottom of zones, guys. There's one right here. Hold on. Okay, so this is a good example right here, guys. This is a perfect zone right here. Let's say you buy one here, right? And then it just keeps dropping on you. Well, if you buy at the bottom of this zone, you know this trend line is right here. You know that there are important levels between the 7, the 21, and the 50. You know that there's important levels between here. Watch for the EMAs. Watch for the 5 minute. Look at the 5 minute. Be like, okay, well, where's that level at on the 5 minute from the 1 minute? All right, well, I'm looking at the levels. It could come back on the 7. It likes to jump from the 7, right? Watch the stochastics and be like, all right, so the stochastics, is it bottomed out or is it on the top side? Where is it at, guys? Mark my words, guys. 240. I mean 340, guys. Looks like we might be going up to 340. But that's how I'm doing it, guys. It's not hard. You have to know how to read these charts. You have to analyze the MACDs. You have to analyze the stochastics. All the data that's coming through, guys, y'all have to analyze it. Analyze every chart. Look at this. Look at the 1 hour. Be like, all right, so what happened? What happened here? What happened here? What happened? Look for wicks. Look for engulfing candles. Um, you have to combine all this together, guys. Put it into what periods are your MACDs? Oh, I can't say that, brother. Sorry. Sorry. The only thing I can say, guys, is no, I do not use stop loss. I don't need to. There's no need to for me to use stop loss, guys. I scalp this stuff. Get in, get out. Look for those drops. Get in, get out. Um, yeah, so well, I mean, what I can say, everybody uses 12, 26, and 9, but I use a different settings for my periods, guys, for my MACD times. So I'm not gonna uh, I'm not gonna give those out. But what I can say, guys, is go on Wikipedia, look at the MACDs, read up on it, and make some changes on those, okay? Because there is a precision one where you can get in, very relatively close to where things might reverse. Um, but sometimes it can be tricky. But just change those. And my sarcastics as well is changed, so I had to find that out myself, guys. But that is it for me, guys. I'm done for today. I'm at 302. Yeah, that's it for today, guys. I'm done. Look for 340s, guys. Wait for a pullback. Um, so we do have a consolidation zone right here. Y'all should know this, guys. Y'all should know this. Consolidation zone right there. Right there. Look for a pullback. If you do get a pullback, just remember that there's zones that you need to just watch out for, guys. Just watch those zones. Um, that's all I have for y'all, guys. I don't have nothing else. I have nothing else, guys. Watch the seven. Watch the seven, guys. Hold on, let me take off these candles, um, these markers, guys, because sometimes the display doesn't look right. So, what I was gonna say is watch these breakouts, guys. Like we have a consolidation zone right over here. Like not all these actually matters. Like they don't all matter, but just know that they're there, right? This was a breakout before. This was an important zone because this was previous. Um, Watch it retest this. Watch it retest this. If there's nothing over here, watch this side. What happened over here? What happened in, previous to this? Um, but watch those 240s, guys. 240s. I mean, 340s, guys, to the top side. Watch that 340. So, all right, fellas, that is it for me today, guys. I hope y'all made some money this morning while I was on. Don't over leverage, guys. Can't help a brother. Oh God. Oh no, man. It's not that it's help. I will be having a subscription kind of website, and it's only 10.99, guys. I'm not going to charge an arm and a leg for it, all right? And I will show y'all everything. Um, but right now it's just right now I have to get all my stuff together, guys. Watch that 340. But anyways, all right, fellas. I hope y'all made money. Um, do do your research. Be careful, risk management, discipline yourself, and just be careful, guys. These markets aren't they can be brutal sometimes. So just be careful, guys. I will be seeing y'all tomorrow, and and that'll be it. But all right, guys, appreciate it. I'll see y'all tomorrow.